Alright, quick tip, you guys. I don't know where you can hear me, but you hear how the belt, or at least the pulley, is squeaking. A quick, easy way to diagnose if it's a pulley or a belt. You get your little bottle of water like this, and you spray the rib side of the belt. So not the flat, smooth side, but the part with the rigid. So when the spray right now, you hear it squeaking. As soon as I spray that, you see how that went away, the noise? That tells me, A, that if it was a pulley, the pulley will still continue to make noise. So it's not making noise no more. So that goes and tells me that it's not a pulley, it is indeed the belt. So now you can differentiate the if it's a pulley or if it's a belt. So spray it again for y'all. Sound goes away. If the bearing's bad, the bearing will stay bad regardless of if he's spraying water or not. So that goes to tell you it's the belt. So we get a belt we place on this thing and stop that squealing.